this video, I'll show you how to extract data from an API response, store it in context, and use it dynamically in the next API call. Let's start by sending a get/posts/one request to fetch a post's details. The response includes a userId field, which tells us which user created this post. Once the response is received, we extract userId from response.data.userId and store it in context. Now let's run the test. Open the context panel and you'll see that before running, userId isn't there. After running, userId is now available, making it ready for the next API request. Next, we add a new step to call the API/users/userId. Since userId has already been extracted from the previous response, we can use it dynamically in the request. Now click Run, and this will load the user associated with the post. The value of a context operation is powered by Jsonata expressions, a powerful open-source data transformer that lets you manipulate and format data dynamically. We'll explore its full capabilities in a future video. Now, let's add assertions to validate the response data. Click Add Assertion to create a new entry. The data input field automatically infers the response structure, so we can simply select response.data.email without manually typing it, ensuring it's typo-free. Next, click the Operator List button and select the isEmail operator to verify that the email format is valid. Now let's add another assertion for zip code validation. Select response.data.address.zipcode, then choose the match operator, which allows us to check against a regular expression. We'll use the pattern D4D5 to ensure the zip code follows a 4 digits -5 digits format. With these assertions in place, we can now validate both the email and the zip code automatically. One handy tool is the Debug Tool, available when response data is present. It lets you reevaluate context operations and assertions without rerunning the entire test flow. Simply modify your operations or assertions, click the Reevaluate button, and see the updated results instantly. Now let's run the test case. Here you are. Track context changes through the Context button and view assertion results in the API Details panel. Last but not least, when the response is received, context operations run before assertions. This means you can pre-process the response data and use the updated values directly in your assertions. That's how you use assertions and context operations in ReAPI. Stay tuned for our next video.